People who grew up in the 1970s, this one's for you. And if you didn't stick around because you're about to learn why your parents are the way they are. If you grew up in the 1970s, you didn't have a childhood, you had a survival training program. No tutorials, no warning labels, just vibes, instincts, and a whole lot of "you'll be fine." Back then, entertainment didn't live in your pocket. It lived outside. The TV had, 3 channels on a good day? And if nothing good was on, that was it. No scrolling, no streaming, you just went outside. Imagine that. Fresh air, dirt, freedom. Kids in the 70s didn't need playdates. You stepped outside, looked around, and boom, friends. Kids on bikes. Kids with scraped knees. Kids who somehow survived, jumping off things with zero fear and zero helmets. And when the streetlights came on, that was the universal signal. Get home. Now, there were no GPS trackers. Your parents didn't know where you were. And honestly, neither did you. You just knew you'd be back by dinner. And somehow, everyone survived, miraculously. Food was different too. No protein labels. No organic sections. You ate what was on the plate. And if you didn't like it, that's cute. You were still eating it. Snacks weren't emotional support. They were just snacks. And soda was a treat, not a personality. People from the 70s learned patience the hard way. If you wanted to call someone, you used a phone attached to a wall with a cord. And if someone else was using it, too bad. You waited. And if you missed a TV show, you didn't rewatch it later. You just missed it. Forever. That built character. And a little resentment. Music wasn't algorithm picked. You waited for your favorite song on the radio, finger hovering over the record button like it was a life or death mission. Mess it up, and that song had a DJ talking over it forever. And let's talk about problem solving. People who grew up in the 70s don't panic easily. Why? Because they learned to fix things, or at least hit them until they worked. Remote not working? Smack it. TV acting weird? Adjust the antenna. Life going wrong? Walk it off. That's why people from the 70s are built different. They're independent, adaptable, calm in chaos, slightly suspicious of new technology, but still willing to figure it out. They don't need constant validation. They grew up trusting themselves. They learned lessons the real way, by doing, failing, and trying again. No comment sections, no filters, just real life. So if you ever wonder why people who grew up in the 1970s are tougher, calmer, and a little sarcastic, now you know. They didn't grow up easy. They grew up real. And honestly, the world could use a little more of that.